So here will be just a practical demonstration about the Fuelless generator. So here is the big alternator. Here's the big alternator, and here is the prime mover. Here is be the one that will rotate. The reason for this shaft is because to help for vibration. As you can see, here is the bigger alternator, and here's the output. Here's the output. As you can see, here's the output cable. As you can see, it's the output cable. So I'm going to connect. I'm going to start it up first with a battery before I'm going to start it up with a battery before I connect it to the power source. So let's disconnect. Let's connect the negative. Let's connect this other one. So let's connect it to the light source. As you can see, here is it. So it has brought light. So let me start it on. As you can see, let's stick everywhere. As you can see, everywhere is on. You can charge your phone, you can do anything you want to do.